Welcome to the AN20. We will show you how to read states of individual outputs of NETIO devices and how to control individual outputs with the XML protocol. You can find more information in Application Note AN20. The XML API can be used with these NETIO power socket devices. NETIO PowerPDU 4C, which can be used as PDU in the rack. NETIO 4 and 4All with standard power sockets. Various types of PowerCable REST depend on which country you are from. New PowerDIN and PowerBox devices coming soon. Reading values is done using the netio.xml file, which is downloaded to your computer. Here is the XML structure of one particular output. And at the same time, the output can be controlled using this XML structure. After sending this XML structure to the device, the output switches. And now, let's have a look at how it's done. The electrical outlets can also be easily switched from the web interface. To set up XML API, you need to go to the M2M API protocols. Here, you need to enable XML API and also enable the read-write function. The read-write password is set here. The password can be left blank, but we do not recommend it for security reasons. The netio.xml file contains the information about status of your device. The XML file consists of several different parts and shows, for example, the values from the device or the settings of the entire device. The agent contains information such as serial number, firmware version, or uptime. The global measure section lists the metered values for the entire device. The individual output sections in the output section present the statuses and values of a given output. NETIO has prepared for you example XML files for easy control of your outlet directly from the web interface. It can be easily opened and edited in any text editor. If you want to edit the example XML file, then it's necessary to follow the prescribed XML file syntax. Every XML structure must be enclosed in. Then, the XML structure must contain an output section for each output you want to control. The output section consists of an ID tag, which determines on which output the action will be applied to, and the action tag, which contains the number of the action. If you want to control multiple outputs, then just add output sections according to the number of outputs you want to control. It is even possible to set your own delay time with short on and short off actions by adding a delay tag with the number of milliseconds. If you have modified the netio.xml file, just save the file. Now we will move to the HTTPS file upload section, where you can control your NETIO device using netio.xml files. To control NETIO Smart Socket using the HTTPS file uploader, it is necessary to first choose netio.xml file and then send it to your device. After sending a netio.xml file to your device, the response from the device will be printed. As an alternative to the NETIO HTTPS file upload function, it is possible to use free CURL software. More information on how to use CURL can be found in Application Note AN21. Thank you for your attention. You can find a more detailed version in the application note AN20 on the NETIO website.